Hey, I'm going to do an unboxing of my Juki TL-2000Qi. I just got it. I unboxed it. Matter of fact, pay attention to the clock. I did this last night. Pay attention to the clock to see what time that I unboxed this. It was after midnight. I was so excited. I unboxed it. So if I don't show any enthusiasm, because it was after midnight when I unboxed it. But take a look at that. I'm going to put time codes down on the bottom. If you want to skip through some parts, go ahead. But stay to the end and see my final thoughts on it. And let's get into it. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my brand new Juki TL-2000. I just got it in the mail today, so we're going to open it up and let's have a look. I'm pretty excited. This is like a early Christmas present for me. So this was supposed to be already pre-set up for me. I paid a little bit extra to have it set up, so let's take a look to see how it looks. Let's put it this way before we get in trouble with it. So right on top here we've got a lot of literature, instruction manual, and got me a little sticker from Juki Junkies. That's where I bought this from, so give a shout out to them. I also purchased some extra bobbins. I don't know if you can see that, but I bought some extra bobbins from them. Here is the bar that lifts the needle from your knee. A knee, if you're familiar with that, I'm not. I've just saw videos on it. Let's see, what's it? Here's a power cord. Here's a walking foot. Looks like, and some more bobbins and a few other items in here. A screwdriver. I've got to figure out how. Gigi's Fabric Shop card. Got to figure out how to get this out the correct way. Let's see what this is. This is probably a table. We'll set that aside. And I think here's a foot pedal. That's a nice foot pedal. I think this might be a cover. I think I'm going to have to set this on its side and pull it out that way. Looks like that's maybe the way that this is made to do. Let's set all this stuff off. Sorry that I'm so uncoordinated. I come by naturally. No lessons. No lessons whatsoever. Ta-da! Okay, here's the moment of truth. Woo. Oh, sorry. Oh, look. Look what I got, a little snowflake. Okay. There's that. Nope, so much for that. Let me lift this up. And what they said they was going to do, and they did, they left a little sample of them quilting on this. So we will see what that looks like. I better not mess with it until I take a better look at it. But anyways, that is my unboxing. I'll give you once I get this thing all set up here, I'll give her a whirl and show you how it sews. I'm pretty excited about it. And just a minute. All right, I hope that unboxing was more exciting to you than it was to me. But I wanted to give you an overview of my thoughts of this machine. You know, I have a KitchenAid mixer, and I've had that thing for 20 years, and that thing is a workhorse. It does one job. Well, it actually has several features on it, but it mixes, and it mixes very well. And that's what I like about this Juki. It does one thing, straight line stitch, and it does it very well. The big thing that I really like on this one here, let's do a couple stitches here. Listen to this. It automatically cuts your thread with the bottom of your back pedal. So no more, it does have the cutter up here, but no more doing that. Just hit your back pedal and it cuts the string for you. So that is great for people that are piecing things together. It also has a back stitch right here. So if you want to do back stitches, just push this down. Also has an extra bobbin thread holder here, so you can actually spin your bobbins up here independently of your string, so you don't never need to switch your thread out. Just add another one here and put your bobbin in here and thread it. So I'm really happy with this thing. I think this should last me my lifetime, and I found a place that services it, so if it ever needs serviced, it's going to be easy to take care of, easy to manage. It's got a few little oil holes here if you maintain these things, I think they'll last you forever. And even the bobbin holder down here is easy to change the bobbin on this right here. You just pull the button in there, pull the bobbin out, put it in, and you're ready to go. No more fighting with it. So that's my honest review. I like it. The only thing that I would say, and I don't know if it's a big thing because I'm a beginner, I'm used to using my brother, is that the TL-2000 has a speed control. Now I've noticed that a couple times when I've been quilting, I've been, this thing does 1,500 stitches a minute, I think. I mean, it's crazy fast. I just got to work on slowing it down. So do I regret not getting the other one, the TL-2000? Maybe. We'll see. But I know a lot of people have this. Look at this big throat area here. This is great for putting quilts in if you want to roll them up, if you're going to free motion or straight line stitch your quilts. There's a lot of room in here for a quilt. That's why I got it. And I'm happy, and I hope I hope this gives you some idea whether you would like to get one or not, or if you have one, hopefully this reinforces you. I don't know, but thanks for watching, and we'll see you later, and remember to keep making memories. Bye.